Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm London. I am all about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that content, hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Today's video is how to elevate your look during the winter months with a few key pieces that you would need in your wardrobe. So if you're interested in what I have to say, keep on watching. This video is mainly to encourage people to dress up, and I'm taking it as advice to myself as well. Dress up in the winter months. I live up north, so it's easy for me to just wear sweatpants all the time. Sweatpants and hoodies and Uggs and just call it a day. But this winter season, I want to elevate my style. Even though it's cold, I still want to be fashionable. So this is what this video is all about. I feel like the first key item that I would recommend adding into your wardrobe is leather pieces. I feel like whether it's a leather skirt, a leather trench coat, a leather pants, it doesn't matter. I feel like leather, depending on where you stay, can keep you warm, but if you're up north and you're wearing leather, it's just for the look. And the look is to be chic and edgy at the same time. I feel like that's what leather pieces do. They put your look together and it gives you that edge. It gives you that you're still stylish, but you're more daring. That's what I feel like when I wear leather. Leather is just that cool type of material that it just gives you that edgy vibe. So I feel like it still helps you look chic, but it also makes you look a little edgy. So that's why I would recommend adding leather into your wardrobe. Now, if you're in the more warmer climates, leather would either make you hot or leather would keep you warm, but it all depends. But the main thing is how you dress it up. You can definitely look elevated with leather items. Another thing that I would incorporate into my winter wardrobe, and you should incorporate into your winter wardrobe, is jeans. Even though it's like a no-brainer, everybody wears jeans, but like I said, I'm the person that would wear just sweatpants or loungewear in the winter months. So this time around, I feel like jeans should definitely be a staple. I definitely love straight jeans or boyfriend jeans or wide leg jeans. Skinny jeans, yes. But it also depends on how you dress it up. So with jeans, you can, look very elevated with jeans depending on how you style it, or you can look very chill in like an off-duty model-esque type of vibe. I feel like jeans make you look put together, but it also depends on how you put your outfit together. Now we're on to blazers. Blazers are one of my favorites, and they're definitely pieces that can be transitioned from season to season. I wear blazers in the summer, fall, spring, winter. It doesn't matter. And another thing that I feel like people need to take into account is you can find blazers anywhere. I feel like you could thrift a blazer. You could also, if you want to invest in a good quality blazer, you could go to a high-end boutique. And if not, you can go to somewhere in the middle like Zara or H&M to find great quality blazers, but it all depends on you. But I feel like blazers definitely elevate your look, specifically making it more put together. It makes you feel like you have places to go and people to see. It just gives that very professional or very chic type of look when it comes to blazers. Are definitely great for me to layer up to stay warm. So I could wear blazers with a little turtleneck sweater underneath, which would keep me warm, and then maybe a jacket on top. So that's me layering up to stay warm and also to look chic and elevated. Another item that I feel like you should have in your wardrobe is trousers or slacks. I've been calling them slacks all my life. But I would say trousers are definitely something that is another item that elevates your look. The material itself gives you that dressy vibe. So I want to put in minimal effort but still give off that I, spent all day putting this outfit together and it looks super great. You definitely should wear some trousers. Definitely style trousers very well for the winter. Trousers are definitely an item that will make you look like you have places to go, people to see, just like blazers. It definitely depends on how well you style the trousers. You could dress it up or dress it down, but definitely trousers are something that helps elevate your look even in the winter months. Another item that's like a no-brainer is sweaters. Sweaters definitely keep you warm, but they're definitely chic, and I know during the colder months people gravitate towards cashmere just to keep warm, but sweaters are very versatile with the options. You can actually have a cardigan, you can do turtlenecks, you can do mock neck sweaters, you could even do v-neck sweaters. It all depends on the look that you're going for, but sweaters are definitely a key piece for the winter months. Boots are definitely something great for the winter months. It depends on, you know, what kind of boot. I am gravitating more towards boots with heels because it's just giving that more classy and more girly type of look. But my favorite boots of all times are knee-high boots, and they have to be leather. It's just chef's kiss. But boots are definitely great for the season. It keeps your feet warm. It keeps your legs warm if they're thigh-high boots. But they're definitely an item just to elevate and make your outfits look way better, in my opinion, than any other shoe for the winter months. And accessories are another thing that is very important, like the other items that I've mentioned, like scarves, gloves, hats, and stuff like that. They definitely, one, keep you warm, and two, they actually elevate your outfit. Again, depending on how you style it. I know that cashmere scarves with a long coat looks very elevated, and you get 2-in-1. You can stay warm and stay fashionable. So that's another thing. Wear beanies, berets. I know some people don't find beanies elevated, but I feel like you could definitely pull off beanies and make it look elevated and chic. Definitely depending on the type of beanie and the style of the beanie, but I definitely feel like accessories are as important as key items or key clothing pieces in your wardrobe. Last thing that I want to mention is gloves. It falls under the category of accessories. I know that leather gloves are in style, or the gloves with the fur wristlets are definitely cute. Those are the gloves that I want to purchase for this season, and it helps create that look of chicness depending on how you wear it. I know lace gloves are, you know, fashionable as well, but again, I live up north, so I would not be wearing lace gloves. But people that are in warmer climates definitely do wear lace gloves, and I think it just looks super cute. So yeah, that is it for the items that I think you would need in your winter wardrobe to have a chic, elevated look this season. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.